this season on Teen Wolf.
The legend of the Wild Hunt has always been that they take people. They erase people from reality.
You can't just erase people. They leave things behind.
A relic would be proof that Styles existed.
And maybe we can bring him back. We are already forgotten.
Somebody's gonna remember me.
What you doing?
Checking out this locker.
I'm relatively new here. But I'm pretty sure breaking into someone else's locker is against the rules.
Those are teeth marks.
A werewolf. Capable of biting through a human skull?
This isn't his first victim.
Saw one of the Ghost Riders. Everyone at the party saw him. They're all gonna be taken. It's afraid of you.
I'm afraid of me.
I'll put so many bullets in your head, God won't even recognize you.
I'm an atheist. We'll find a way to protect them. All of them.